What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a gradient to text in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is add some text. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So now that we've got some text, what you want to do is go over to the layers down in the bottom right and right click on the text layer and go to blending options. Okay, then once you're here, you want to go to gradient overlay. And up the top here, you've got the different blend modes. You've got darken, dissolve, linear dodge. I actually like color burn. It looks pretty sick in my opinion. You got the opacity right underneath it. You can change how much you want to see the actual gradient. I'm just going to turn that right up so you guys can see it fully. And then underneath that, you've got the actual gradient. It's got some presets for you here, some pretty basic presets, but what you can actually do is create your own. So when creating your own gradient, make sure you only change the bottom layer colors. So we're just going to go ahead and change this already made preset. So you just want to click on the color that you want to change, and I'm just going to change it to, let's go bluish. And you can also adjust the location by highlighting the location and scrolling back and forward, or you can just simply drag and adjust it. But I like to scroll because you can, feels like it's more accurate. So I actually want the green to be a bit more larger. And then with these small little points, you can actually adjust, how much the actual color covers inside the gradient. Oops, I accidentally added another one, but it's alright. So we're just gonna name this blue and green. And then you can, if you actually want to save the gradients for later, just go ahead and press save. And then save wherever. I'm just going to name it blue and green. And then name it whatever, and then just press save. Just leave it saved in the gradient section. And then you can press OK. And it has actually been added. Okay, so I accidentally deleted it, but you can go ahead and load that back up. You've actually got the option to reverse the gradient as well. Under style, you can pick what style you want the gradient to be in. As you can see over here, this is the style. I like the diamond style. I reckon the linear is the best one. You can actually change the angle the gradient is coming from. So I reckon that looks better. And you can also adjust the scale. As you can see, you can use this little box to use it as a guide. So yeah, after you finish with your gradient, just press OK. And that is basically it. So yeah, that is it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel as well, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any troubles with this video, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from everybody. Peace out.